In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Roblox upgrade error. Your version of Roblox is out of date and will not work properly, taking you to the Google Play Store for an upgrade. So whenever you click on upgrade, there is no update on Google Play Store. So how to fix this error? So if there is no update, if you remember your login credential, then simply uninstall your Roblox app. But if you didn't remember your login credential, then what to do? So for that, simply go to settings, scroll down and tap on apps, search for Roblox, click on force stop. Okay, now go to storage, click on clear cache. Now go back, tap on permissions and allow all the necessary permissions, and make sure this manage app if unused is toggle off. And after doing all this, simply long press your power button and restart your device. After restarting, your problem will definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.